Hello guys, welcome to the market channel. So today we're talking about what is happening in the market generally with the Bitcoin chart and what already caused the dip yesterday overnight. So before we continue, please if you are not subscribed to this channel and watching this video, please press the subscribe button and put on the notification button. And also if you have any suggestion, you can put it in the comment section below. Let's continue. This is a Bitcoin chart right now. But before we dive into the chart, let's look at the news that was yesterday. Bitcoin loses 6% in an hour after Tesla drop payment over carbon concern. And if you look at it, in the tweet, ELON said that the company concerned regarding the rapidly increasing increasing use of fossil fuel for Bitcoin mining and transaction, especially coal. He said, while MUSK predicted that cryptocurrency has a promising future, he concluded that the rise of digital assets cannot come at a great cost to the environment. So he's talking about the fossil fuel, the consumption of power, and the rest. That's why he's saying that Tesla will not be accepting Bitcoin as payment again. But look at it, said, however, the firm has not ruled out accepting BTC again future. With the post, nothing will resume using Bitcoin for transaction as mining transition to more energy that is sustainable by Elon Musk. So, but what the tweet was saying is that the company will be accepting other Bitcoin alternative that is not using up to like the power consumption is not up to that of Bitcoin. And you have to look at, we're talking about we're talking about Cardano, talking about Litecoin, talking about Ethereum, Polkadot, and the rest. But looking at it, after Element dropped this particular tweet, in the crypto world, public panic is very important. As they drop this, people start panicking and start selling off their holdings, which was making a market to dip. But even MicroStrategy replied to this tweet and was making Tesla knowing that they are getting it wrong, that even the old world consumption power and the rest. And I guess Tesla did not do their proper research before making this tweet, or I just feel maybe just trying to use this news just to turn the market upside down. But even though he dropped the tweet, it said that they are not selling their Bitcoin because Tesla has billions of dollars worth of Bitcoin, and he said we are not selling it. They are still holding it. But they will be looking at another payment method to accept, and they might be accepting Dogecoin as a payment, accepting Cardano, but any payment they are accepting as alternative payment for Bitcoin. Then don't forget those coins will be pumping and be money. But we don't know Elon Musk's idea. We don't know his plan because he just I just feel like just playing with everything. That's how I feel. But let's look at if you look at it after he dropped the tweet. Bitcoin Magazine also replied. He said, Bitcoin Magazine has suspended purchasing any Tesla. We are concerned about the rapid increase in bad arguments, especially energy fraud from the company's CEO. So look at it. It said Tesla is a good idea on many levels, and we believe the company will eventually embrace Bitcoin as a natural monetary layer. But this cannot come at a great cost to our sanity. So they are trying to tackle the Tesla for the tweet that was dropped. So, but let's look at the chart now. I told you yesterday when I made a video that if Bitcoin should sustain below this trend line, if it should break through the trend line, that we'll be seeing Bitcoin around 48k, 47k. Now I told you yesterday. You can go ahead and watch the video. So, and now with the news, Bitcoin was expected to bounce back from the edge of that trend line, but because of the news, people panic and sell, and some people even took a short position, and the market was pushing down. And as the market pushed below this trend line, I don't forget I told you that if it should come below this trend line, like we are shifting the trend. So the trend has shifted, and now looking at it, this is not too good. But as far as still sustaining, be above this 48k level, there are stand, we are still okay. We are still uptrend. Just like we are seeing a consolidation and up path. But as far as Bitcoin not break below 48k, sustaining below 48k, I can still tell you that we are still bullish. But the moment Bitcoin sustain below 48k level and is splitting another region, then we might be playing with fire. Do you understand? But looking at it like this, what I'm expecting of Bitcoin currently is for Bitcoin to go ahead, and don't forget where it is currently. There is a resistance at the upper part, so it's trying to break up. So if Bitcoin can break this resistance up, perfect. But if BTC cannot break this resistance up, then we might be, if BTC can break this resistance up, perfect. But if it can't break it up, might have a little bounce back, and then go up again. We test it, then continue to go up. Do you understand? But looking at the formation, if you have to go down to 4 hours now, looking at it here, you can see that Bitcoin is closing at the top of that particular resistance, and this is making a red candle. Next one, I hope this red candle go ahead and break this level. When this level is broken, perfect, because the market is getting stable. So, but if this level is not broken and come down again, then might be seeing Bitcoin coming to around 46k again, or 45k. But I did not expect Bitcoin to come to another region, so I expect it to break this particular level upward. And you have to look at it in the overall, this is more like a double bottom. You have to look at it. Sorry. If you look at it, let me draw. See, the market went up and came down to touch it again. Do you understand? Now, what we expect now is what? Upward movement. And you have to look at it very well. It has given us a confirmation with that green candle that was made and with that rejection. Do you understand? So I expect Bitcoin to continue to upward movement from here, because people are already have already played with the news already. They've sold the news, and they've traded the news. So I feel that should be over for now. And since Tesla is not saying that they are selling part of their Bitcoin, so it's still perfectly okay for the market. So all this is what I expect market to continue pick up from here. But if the market should go ahead and break below the 48k level and sustain below it, then we might be seeing Bitcoin come to around 45k, 46k level, to around 38k, and which we might be getting too extreme for Bitcoin, which might be saying maybe we might be saying maybe the borrow is over or not. But as far as still above this 48k level, I can still categorically say that we are still bullish and we are still uptrend. But I just hope that this is not break below and sustain below 48k level. So I know everybody is in red now. Everybody is in a red party. Your portfolio getting red. You're losing money. Don't worry. Just try your best and make things. Enjoy yourself. The market will again. So now I just pray that this month is not a red month. Last month we have a red month, and this month too. We have not have any red month in this run, and it's possible that this particular month might be a red month. I'm looking at it. But if you look at, I make a video. I talk about the Shiba and the rest yesterday, that you should invest what you can afford to lose. And we look at this tweet. The Ethereum founder, has told Dodge team meme coin Crypto to back up another tree. Moving trillions of coin, he was gifted. A billions of dollar worth of Shiba was sent to an Indian COVID relief. And this means that since this fund was sent to Indian COVID relief, then you can't expect them to keep the Shiba coin. You expect them to sell it so that they can buy equipment and make normal and get normal equipment for the COVID-19. And so, if you are looking at it, so that's it there, like I said. And if this kind of worth of billions of dollars is sold, then you can expect the price of Shiba to come down. That's why I said make sure you invest what you can afford to lose. Don't just go ahead and input and buy with all your life savings. These coins don't have any use case in the community. They are just, you can just use the profits and then get it away. So thank you very much for watching this video. Please, if you are not subscribed, please subscribe now and also put on the notification button. Thank you very much. We'll see in the next video. By the time we'll be watching the next video, Bitcoin should be returning back to its rightful place. Let's hope for that. So thank you very much. God bless.